guys, welcome back to Jack's Wild Adventures with Friends. Welcome, boys and girls of all ages. We will need marshmallows, M&M's, cereal, butter, pan,
It's okay.
pan. So our first step is to melt the butter in a saucepan. Make sure you have an adult supervision with using a hot oven.
And you don't leave any paper on the butter.
What's it called? It's called.
What's it called, Stu?
When you're done heating up your butter, make sure you open the marshmallows and then dump it in. One bag. Make sure it's one bag of marshmallows. Now you're gonna pour your bag of marshmallows into the pot that you put your butter in. And make sure that you stir constantly so that it does not stick. I think. Yeah. And it will not. So now we're just stirring constantly, and it's totally me doing it. Nobody else, like my sister or something.
Trust the process.
Don't be Miss Maxie.
Marshmallows off the heat.
And we're gonna pour the crispy cereal into it. And you have to. It would help if you had two people doing this, because you could pour the cereal in.
I think that's good.
Just pour one whole bag of it in. Or less. Yeah, do less than one bag.
No, I think this is good.
No, do one whole bag. See, she said half a bag and I said one whole bag. So our spatula's melting.
Ow.
She is not a trained professional.
Dear Sister Jack, can you please give me a different spoon, please?
Dear Sister Manetta, no, you haven't.
It needs.
Just won't tell her.
Okay. So we start adding some M&Ms in.
So what you're gonna do is you're gonna spray it with butter spray all over your pan.
And someone else should be continuously stirring the Rice Krispies so that it doesn't start to form.
Into mush, and it won't be good.
Okay.
Make sure you spray your hands, cause the Rice Krispies gets sticky. And when I mean sticky, I mean very sticky. So she's gonna pour the Rice Krispies in, and then I'm gonna pat it down. Spray your hands. It's gonna hurt.
It's gonna be hot.
I know. And it's gonna be very hot.
It's not that hot. You'll be okay.
Wait, hold on.
Are you using my header? Do you think anybody wonders who the cameraman is? Vanilla.
Bro, this is our plan.
Oh, well, with that.
Bruh, so what you're doing right now? Ow! That hurt.
We're getting certain amount of kills from the aliens.
Ow, it stuck to my finger. It hurt.
To the next level.
Open up your M&M bag, and then you're just gonna place it on top of your Rice Krispie, and then you're just gonna fold it and mix it all in.
Good.
No, I'm not.
It's really just like making bread. Ow. Hurts. Oh, oh.
Oh, oh.
Trust the process.
I am not trusting this right now. I want to eat this.
Let me put more of the M&Ms in it.
That, you're just gonna fly it out.
Really got it. Get in there.
You've never been reviewed on camera, B.
Here we are.
Here we are.
Basically famous.
Basically, at this point, you've been in a video. Bob's been in 2. You know. Now we're gonna let it cool. See you in a minute. So now that we have it all cooled down, we're gonna cut it. Put it up. Now we're just gonna cut it.
And Jack.
I'm not very good at cutting it, as you can tell. Quiet, me. So now we're gonna cut it. We've already started cutting it, but you could just follow along with where we've been cutting.
He'll be that one YouTuber. Alright. I gotta go bed. I gotta go to bed.
So guys, I did a little bit off screen
This
mining.
is what they did. Alright, so I did a little bit
Enjoy your own stuff.
off screen mining.
It's getting really close to me.
He opened his chest,
Well.
his large chest, and it was filled with diamonds.
Don't never make.
Oh no, I'm supposed to be stirring these marshmallows, guys.
Yeah.
And that's it. Thanks for watching our video. Wait, what's that? Was it?